Hello, this is Deshmukh Gajanan. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is completely devoted to the study of English language and literature. I appeal all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel for the complete preparation of English grammar. We have started to study the various structures of English language. Today we are going to study one more structure. Please have a look at the board. Subject plus verb plus indirect object plus direct object. In this video we are going to study this particular structure. I will write a few sentences on the board. With the help of those sentences we will study this structure in detail. Ramesh gave me a pen. Ramesh gave me a pen. In this particular sentence, Ramesh is the subject. Ramesh is the subject. Gave is the verb. Gave is the verb. Me is the indirect object. This is indirect object. And a pen is the direct object. See here, how can you identify a direct object from the given sentence? You can ask the question with what or whom. Here a pen is the direct object, so here you can ask the question with what in order to get the direct object from the given sentence. What did Ramesh give me? What did Ramesh give me? The answer is a pen. Therefore, a pen is a direct object in this particular sentence. How can you identify or find out an indirect object from the given sentence? You can ask the question with to whom or for what. See here, Ramesh gave me a pen. Here you can ask the question with to whom. To whom did Ramesh give a pen? The answer is me. Therefore, me is an example of an indirect object. It is very necessary that you should have a proper knowledge of the direct object and the indirect object. It is very necessary when you want to turn the sentences of active voice into the passive voice. Here, you can convert this sentence into the passive voice by two ways. You can take the direct object at the beginning of the sentence, or you can take an indirect object at the beginning of the sentence in order to convert this sentence into a passive voice. See here, Ramesh gave me a pen. A pen was given to me by Ramesh. You can take an indirect object at the beginning. Me will get converted into I. I was given a pen by Ramesh. This is very simple. You need to read these kinds of sentences every now and then. You need to do a lot of practice in order to be good at English. I will write a few sentences on the board. With the help of those sentences, we will try to make this structure a little bit clear. So please have a look at the board. You must tell the police the truth. You must tell the police the truth. Here, you is the subject, must tell is the verb, this is the subject, this is the verb, the police is the indirect object, the truth is the direct object here, direct object. Here also you can find out the direct object by asking the question with what. Yeah, whom. See here, you must tell the police the truth. What must you tell the police? So here the answer will be the truth. Therefore, the truth is an example of a direct object. Indirect object, how can you find out an indirect object? By asking the question with to whom. To whom must you tell the truth? To whom must you tell the truth? So the answer is the police. Therefore, the police is an example of an indirect object here. I will write a few sentences on the board. Please have a look at the board, my dear friends. Teacher teaches us a poem. Teacher teaches us a poem. Here teacher is the subject. Teaches is the verb. Us is the indirect object. Indirect object. And here a poem is the direct object. Direct object. Teacher teaches us a poem. What does teacher teach us? A poem. Therefore, it is a direct object. To whom does teacher teach a poem? To whom does teacher teach a poem? Therefore, us is an example of an indirect object. I will write one more example on the board. Please have a look at the board. Raju has bought his sister a pencil. Raju has bought his sister a pencil. In this particular statement, Raju is the subject. Has bought is an example of a verb. His sister, it is the indirect object. It is the indirect object. And a pencil is the direct object. How can you find out a direct object from the given sentence? By asking the question with either what or whom. What has Raju bought his sister? A pencil. Therefore, a pencil is an example of a direct object. His sister. For whom? You can ask the question with for whom, then definitely you will get an indirect object. For whom has Raju bought a pencil? His sister is an example of an indirect object. I hope that you must have understood this structure pretty well. Once again, I appeal all my viewers to subscribe my YouTube channel for the complete preparation of English grammar. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a good day.